everyone, this is LT5. I can determine the percent increase or decrease. So the problem we're working on today is the price of a meal increased from $10 to $12. What's the percent change? So first thing I want to do is set up my line diagram. So I'm starting with $10. So I put $10 on my line, and I know that this is 100% because it's a starting amount for this problem. And then it says that the meal increased to $12. So I'm going to increase this line a little bit and put $12 over there. And so our job is to figure out what's the percent change from here to here. So I'll just put X because I don't know what that percent is right now. And then on top, we're going to make the same size bracket as we did down here. Okay, so if I want to figure out this distance here, I can do 12 minus 10. So that tells me that there's a $2 increase. So we need to figure out what would that percent increase be. So when I set up my equation, this is my original value. So I know that if I take my original value, which is 10, and I multiply it by whatever this percent is, but I don't know what it is yet, so I'll just put X. If I do 10 times this percent, I should get the number up here. Because we're working backwards from when we used to say like, oh, 20% of a number equals this number. So this time we're saying 10 times what percent is going to give me this change up here. Let me erase this dollar sign. So I have 10x equals 2, and remember from solving for x, this is 10 times x, so the opposite of multiplying by 10 would be dividing. So I divide, and then this cancel, and then x equals 2 divided by 10 would be 0.2. But that's a decimal, and I want to know what the percent is. So turn to a percent, I move it over 2 places. And so that means that this was a 20%, and we know it's an increase because the amount went up. If it had been a decrease, we know it would have been a decrease if it went from like $15 to $10, if the price dropped down.